Livestock farming in particular is a very, very challenging space to be in. If there's going to be a future in it for Vermont farmers, we need to find ways for farmers to build more skills and add more value to products. And so this project is what I think is part of the answer to that, and that's to give farmers access to facilities that enable them to do simple value-added work. I grew up on a dairy farm here in Paulet. I went to school for mechanical engineering at UVM. Came back to Paulet, came back to the family farm, started a grazing-based grass-fed beef enterprise here on the farm back in 2014. A big part of our future is figuring out ways to add more value. I knew that on-farm processing was going to be an essential piece. Getting a grant from the Working Lands Enterprise Fund was a huge deal for us because it gives us an opportunity to develop this thing that hasn't really been done before with this particular approach, in that it is a designed turnkey system targeted specifically for small farms. The structure of this grant is that the facility, once completed, is going to be operated by myself and 2 other farmers right here in town that are going to use it to add value to their products so that they can market their own proteins. And that is the game changer for these farms, in that they will have more control over their processing, they will have more flexibility when it comes to marketing. It closes a major gap for small producers. If other farmers are interested in a facility like this, they can use those plans for inspiration or replication. I mean, they could build a facility just like it. They could also hire people like me to build elements of the facility or the entire facility and deliver it. It's being designed in a way that the elements of the facility can be built in a shop like this and moved over the road and installed in its final location. Typically, people think about processing and farming. I don't see any reason why they can't be one and the same, and distribution too. We should figure out what it takes to do a good job of farming this way, and we should make sure that our farmers are set up with the right tools. I believe that a farmer's ability to add value to their product is an essential piece. Just because it's uncommon doesn't mean that it's something that we shouldn't work on.